Dear students, it is the time to solve exercise work, and in it today we are going to solve chapter 13 of class 5. The name of the chapter is Education. Number 1. Answer these questions. A. When does education help us? Answer. Education helps us in strife. B. Can anyone steal your knowledge? Answer. No. Anyone cannot steal my knowledge. C. What can we increase with education? Answer. We can increase our knowledge with education. D. What does education teach us? Answer. Education teaches us how to mention. E. How can we deal with tension? Answer. We can deal with tension with the help of education. F. What can we distinguish with education? Answer. We can distinguish between right and wrong with education. Question number 2. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks. Answer is given here. Education is very helpful for us in dash, strife. Education is very helpful for us in strife. We lead our dash easily with it. Answer is life. We lead our life easily with it. No one can dash what we know. Answer is steal. No one can steal what we know. Life is a dash and dash is its station. Answer is journey and education. Life is a journey and education is its station. Education makes the dash strong. Education makes the nation strong. It opens the dash of our mind. It opens the petals of our mind. It is a precious dash for us. Answer is ornament. It is a precious ornament for us. You can also say there is a summary of the poem in this stanza in fill in the blanks. Once again I am reading it. Education is very helpful for us in strife. We lead our life easily with it. No one can steal what we know. Life is a journey and education is its station. Education makes the nation strong. It opens the petals of our mind. It is a precious ornament for us. Question number 3. Tick the right statement and cross the wrong statement. You have to put tick mark against right statement and cross marks against the wrong statements. A. All things can come and go. Tick. Right statement it is. Anyone can steal your knowledge. Cross. It is a wrong statement. No one can steal your knowledge. Education is a mixture of knowledge and destruction. Wrong statement. Cross. Education is a mixture of knowledge and construction, not destruction. D. Education makes our life enjoyable. Right statement. So there is tick mark. E. Educated people can deal with tension easily. Tick mark. It is right statement. An educated man can find difference between right and wrong. Cross. It is a wrong statement. Educated man can find difference between right and wrong. It is not easy for uneducated man to find difference between right and wrong. Education lights up our life. Tick. It is a right statement. Question number 4. Write 2 rhyming words. Rhyming words are the words that ends with same sound. Here some rhyming words are given here. Questions are in black letters, answers are in red letters. You can write your own rhyming words, which may be different from the rhyming words given here. There is no problem in it. Life, wife, strife, station, nation, tension. C. Season, region, shun. D. Find, kind, mind. E. Journey, money, honey. F. Petal, metal, hospital. Question number 5. Make words adding tion, means shun. Words have been made here. Answers are given in blue letters and questions are given in black letters. tion has been added here and a new verb word has been formed here. Educate, education. Forest, forestation. Habitat, habitation. Console, consolation. Tabulate, tabulation. Examine, examination. Animate, animation. Inform, information. Frustrate, frustration. Rotate, rotation. Here word has been written rotate. It is rotate, 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 rotation. Translate, translation. Legislate, legislation. Now question number 6. Make meaningful sentences from the given table. There are 3 columns in the table. In the middle of the column there is that, and you have to make meaningful sentences. Words taking from first column and third column, and these all sentences will be added by that. So there is that in middle of all sentences. In black letters, column first has been written and column third has been written in the red letters. This dress is so costly that a poor man cannot buy it. B. Your house is so big that a big family can easily live in it. C. Raman is so intelligent that he solves the problem quickly. D. I know very well that he is a poor man. E. He delivered such a speech that people did not like it. F. Narendra Modi is so honest that everybody likes him. G. He is glad that his son has won the prize. And H. She works hard that she may get success. 7. Write the group name for the following. Words are given of the same group. You have to write the name of that group from where those words have been taken. A. Finger, cheek, tongue, nose, hair. These all are parts of body. So answer is parts of body. B. Diarrhea, vomiting, fever, cholera, cough. These all are the names of disease. So answer is diseases. Uncle, nephew, husband, mother, son. These all shows relation. So answer is relation. D. Shirt, hat, towel, gloves, turban. These all are dress. So answer is dress. Group name is dress. Tamarind, jackfruit, date, mango, blackberry. Blackberry. These are the names of fruit. So group name is here fruit. Scissors, axe, spade, hammer, saw. These all are different equipments. So group name is equipment. And G. Bracelet, bangles, hairpin, nose ring, necklace. These all are jewelry. So answer is jewelry here. That's all. Thanks.